Okay, for today we're preparing chicken adobo. So we will now cut the chicken into pieces. So this is half of a whole chicken. We will cut it into this size. So it's all cut up now. Cut into adobo cut. Then I'll put in a bowl. And we sprinkle some salt. This is to cleanse the chicken, to take out the smell from the chicken. Let it sit for maybe 5 minutes with the salt. Then rinse in water afterwards. Okay, now we'll rinse in the water. Okay, so after the water is drained, we will now put the ground pepper. I usually mix the ground pepper with the chicken. Then show you about half cup. And vinegar. Apple cider or just the distilled white vinegar is okay. So this is the same. I usually do the same amount with soy sauce. It's gonna be like half cup. Then some laurel. Then mix all together. Let it sit while you are preparing for your garlic and the onion. So here's my fresh spices. I have garlic. I should have used more garlic, but I only have this already on my stock. So the more garlic, the more flavorful. So you can put more garlic. And I have a palm-sized ginger and maybe 2 tablespoons onion. So now I'm heating a pot on medium-high heat. For this adobo, I'm gonna fry the garlic, the onion, and the ginger. For my first adobo, pork adobo before, I put all already. I mixed all of it and cooked all of it at the same time. This is another way of cooking adobo. So maybe 2 tablespoons of oil. You can use any oil, canola, vegetable oil. We will fry the garlic. Until it's light brown. I could smell already the garlic. So it's light brown now. You can add now the onion. Usually I just add first the chicken. I keep the remaining sausage in the bowl. This one I will have to still fry with the garlic. Now you can also increase the heat. You may want to cook the chicken for a while. Like, it was pinkish until it's light brown. When the meat is light brown, you can now add the remaining sauce. the meat is all well covered with the sauce, so you don't need to add water now. So when it is boiling, cover the chicken and lower the fire into low heat. And cook for about 15 minutes or until the chicken is tender. After 15 minutes, then you can increase the fire to medium-high heat. And cook again for another 5 minutes. And it's also time to taste. If you need to adjust, if you wanted more salty or if you wanted more sour vinegary, then you can add the vinegar. You can add shoyu. Just like this, I think I need to add some more shoyu to get the brown color, brownish golden color. And at this point, you can be playful with your adobo. You can eat the chili, Hawaiian chili, if you prefer it to be spicy. I prefer spicy food, so I put 3 pieces of chili. You can also add the ground black pepper if you like it more peppery. There are people who like the adobo dry, and they like the chicken to be fried with its own oil. And at this point, you can eat already the adobo, but we will go through the end by cooking this chicken with its own fat. For now, it is better to remove the cover so we can reduce the liquid since the chicken is already cooked. Chicken is easier to cook than the pork. It easily becomes tender than the pork. So at this point, the chicken is now cooking with its own oil. Look at the oil, it's the one that is floating, it's almost all oil now. And see the color? It's like golden brown. Nice color for this chicken adobo. So this is now my adobo. So this is the best part. The oil you have to mix with the rice. And the garlic, the cooked garlic is already there.